Hello guys, my name is Mr. Pankaj Setia and welcome to my YouTube channel Pankaj Blog. So today in this video I am going to share my feelings and my thoughts that why our country is not growing fast. So there are many aspects behind this big issue. I found out one of the main reason behind this issue is women empowerment. Unless women empowerment, our country can't grow anymore. It's a big reason behind the slow growthness of our country. So firstly we have to focus that what are the initiations that government has been taken till date. So I would like to share a few of them in front of you. So there are many schemes that the government has been introduced. So first scheme is that Prime Minister Matritya Vandana Yojana. According to this scheme, every girl above 19 years will get rupees 6,000 for their two live births. And the second scheme is that Janani Suraksha Yojana. So according to this scheme will promote each and every pregnant lady for their institutional deliberation. So this is a very big issue. Still, in our society, women are not aware about this kind of scheme. They must know about this kind of scheme. And one of the main issue is education. Until or unless good education, women can't be empowered. So we must focus on education. Our government has introduced one scheme regarding this education, which is Kasturba Balika Vidyalaya. There are many schools that has been constructed in our country for those poor girls for our society, that they can afford their educations without any burden. And moreover, there are many schemes. I can say that Savalai scheme where women can achieve their skill development, where women can work for their skill development. And you may heard about Sukanya Samriddhi scheme, where there are mentioned that by this scheme every woman will get equal opportunity with their male counterpart, because we have seen in our society that there is still discrimination between girl child or boy child. So this is a very bad thing for our society, which may become a big cause to improve to growth for our country. So we must focus on this kind of issue. And later on I would like to include one very important point is that dowry system. According to me, dowry system should be abolished from our society. It's a hamper, it's a burden for poor families. And also there are many more other schemes that government has been introduced, but yet our women are not aware about this kind of scheme. They must aware all these kind of schemes that they can get their right. They even don't know what are their rights. They should focus on their rights, what they need to do, what they don't need to do. So these all kind of things they have to observe. They need to observe very carefully. Apart from those things that we, the citizens of India, uh, must have of individual responsibility for women. I would like to recommend a few of things. If you like, then you can follow. That are that we must talk with women, and also we can support for their any institution, and we also respect their work. Whenever they success in any activity, we must praise them. and also we make them educated. They can equally stand with male counterpart. Apart from them, we must let them involved uh, into power, that they can make decision to build our government. So this is a big issue. Until or unless this all good things happen, our country can't grow anymore. These all are the things I have to say. I have to say in front of you. Hope guys, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and also do share my videos, that you can get easily all my videos. Thank you.